Before we jump into this, I just want to quickly address the fact that for some reason the compression settings on whatever I was doing to record the video did not turn out well. So if you could just look past that and let's just pretend like it doesn't look the best. It does sound good, but you could probably tell that the video quality isn't at the highest capacity that it could be. So if you could forgive me on that, that would be great. Thanks. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are jumping in to this shoegaze song. In today's episode, I really want to finish out the full structure of the song, and I've got an idea of where I want the bridge to go, and I think we'll just do bridge, chorus, outro kind of thing. So let's try to dive into that and get that done today. Crazy thing is, we are in the middle of a hurricane here, and you know, what better to do than write cool riffs? So just as a reminder, here's the chorus that we'll be coming out of, going into the bridge. And I think at first I wanted to just ring out and do like a, I don't know, like something like that, just to kind of give it some cool tension, maybe. Let's try it out. That's kind of what I'm going for. So let's just start there and play with it and see what it gets us. We're gonna do that for both guitars. I can't decide if I want to go cliche and just write like a sick breakdown, since we are doing this in like the vibe of Loathe and Deftones. I really kind of want to go into like something brutal for the bridge, but then at the same time I'm kind of feeling like a sticking with the vibe of just like the cool shoegaze feel and just make the bridge feel real vibey. Either way, we're going to get into that here in a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and start tabbing out drums already because, like I said, I've got it in here, an idea of where I want to go. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Here we go. Yeah. Sorry, let me stop and explain what I'm doing, because I really have not said a word in quite some time. So what's happening right now is I wrote this breakdown while we've been sitting here, and now we're gonna do a thing that I like to do, and that's let the breakdown play through one time, and then it'll go again and start cutting up. Yeah. And for good measure, just be relentless in this last phrase of it. Just let the drums go nuts here at the end. Yeah, I like that idea. As I hear the hurricane barrel down on top of my studio, right? The last chorus. Paste it so it comes into the chords. Make sure I'm all lined up because I'm not. There we go. Pull the vocal samples back. So I'm actually going to go in here and record these guitars just like as chords. Yeah, let me do that. And what I'm going to do is actually pull in some like some cleaner guitars for that. So we'll try this real quick. Sorry, I've been talking so low. That's cool. And I think maybe with this one I'll just... Yeah. So it's gonna end with this outro. Digging it. Now the last thing that I want to do is go in here and finish out what I'm going to do in these breaks. I'm thinking silence the first two breaks and then a fun little like in between the guitars. So I actually I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I like that. And then yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It gets the point across for now until we can get the song done. So I'm actually gonna write breakdown here. All right, that is the full structure of the song. Let me go through and add some production elements to make it flow. And then I think we'll be done with this episode. In the next episode, we'll go through and do lyrics and all that other fun stuff. But for now, let's listen to this. If you're finding value in this video, please let me know down in the comments section below. And I just want to kind of fill you in. I am so close to 500 subscribers, and I would really love to kind of get over that mark. So if you guys are watching the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications. Let's get over that 500 subscriber mark. That would be insane. right, that's it. That is a full structure of this shoegaze song. If you guys are really into this track, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll keep moving forward with it. The next step would be to finish writing the lyrics and to record those parts, and then we'll move into mixing and mastering and really finalizing this track out to being a fully fledged track. So if you want to see that, let me know down in the comments below. If you're local and in the area and are needing some work done on your tracks, go ahead and hit me up at ghostnoisestudio.com. Would love to be able to help you out with whatever your project is. And if you're just needing some mixing and mastering and you're remote and you still want to work with me, go ahead and go over to the website as well. Reach out to me. Would love to be able to help you with whatever project you're working on. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys next time.